सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है.
In 1931, outside the Lahore jail, three brave hearts showed their courage will never fail. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev stood tall. For India's freedom, they gave their all.
Lala Lajpat Rai's sacrifice lit the flame, awakening millions in freedom's name. The youth rose up with voice loud and proud. Inqilab Zindabad, they cried aloud.
So, hello everyone, my name is Pratik. Today, the role of Rajguru and Lala Lajpat Rai will be played by me in this act.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranj. Today the role of Bhagat Singh will be played by me.
Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmana. Today, the role of Sukhdev will be played by me in this act.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil and today the role of Arjun will be played by me in this act.
Hello everyone, I am Arvi Sharma. The role of Asha, a college student, will be played by me.
Hey everyone, I am Pratiksha. Today the role of Sharla will be played by me in this act.
So, hello everyone and good evening to all of you. So today the role of narrator will be played by me and I am Amit Singh. So, this is the story of three brave revolutionaries, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, and simultaneously the perspective of society. Let's see, right now outside the Lahore Central Jail, some people are talking about revolutionaries. Let's see what they are discussing about.
Is it true? Today is that day.
People say Rajguru, Sukhdev and Bhagat Singh will be executed tonight.
But how can they kill someone who wanted freedom?
Yes.
Because British are not afraid. They are not afraid of three young men. They are afraid of millions who may become like them.
So inside the Lahore Central Jail, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were remain calm and fearless because they know their sacrifice will inspire generations to come.
Bhagat, tomorrow the whole country will remember us.
No Rajguru, they should not remember us. They should remember why we fought.
Freedom is never free. Someone always pays its price.
Do you remember the day everything changed?
So it's time of flashback. The death of Lala Lajpat Rai in the year 1928 by the brutal lathi charge.
Simon Commission, वापस जाओ. Simon Commission, go back.
Simon Commission, go back. Simon Commission, go back.
What are you all doing
We
here?
want justice.
Let me provide you all justice.
Lala Lajpat Rai have to go over us.
Fuck up from here.
Hey, Asha.
Let me provide you justice. Never try to mess up with us. It's our country, not your all country. Fuck up from here.
After the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, all the three revolutionaries stand together in anger. Let's see.
Lala Lajpat Rai is dead. The British think the Indians will remain silent.
His blood is asking us one question. Will anyone answer?
Yes, we will answer.
Not with tears.
Not with tears.
But with courage. British must know the single drop of Indian blood has a value.
That is our promise.
Till our last breath.
Inqilab
Zindabad.
After these steps, all the revolutionaries become famous and all the newspapers are only talking about them. Let's see the reaction of people. What are they discussing?
Guys, do you know that everyone is talking about Bhagat Singh? Some call him a criminal and some call him a hero.
Actually, I also don't know what to believe anymore.
Ask yourself a question. If someone insults your mother, will you remain silent?
Over my dead body.
Then why should India remain silent when she is being insulted over many years?
Maybe freedom is everyone's responsibility, not only revolutionaries.
So then, what we are waiting for? If they can sacrifice their lives, we can at least raise our voice. Inqilab
Zindabad.
So, let's see the spark. After that, our nation awakened. And let's see now what will happen because it's a time of sounder attack.
We have to in the gun to kill John Sounder.
I'm always with you. Tell where and when.
See, I have arranged the gun to kill the person who kills our nation.
John Sounder, take a last breath.
So, after that attack on the sounder, all the three revolutionaries were hiding themselves from the Britishers.
The British are searching in every street. They won't stop until they find us.
Let them search. They can chase us, but they cannot stop the revolution.
No, this is not enough. Arjun cannot wake the entire nation. They are still asleep.
Then what should we do?
We need a voice so powerful that every Indian can hear it. Not a voice of hatred, the voice of courage. Inqilab Zindabad.
So, after this attack, all the three revolutionaries become famous. And all the media house and newspaper are only talking about them. Let's see what are the people discussing.
Look guys, every newspaper is calling Bhagat Singh a terrorist here.
But history is not written by newspapers. History is written by sacrifices.
The British fear him so much so that they're trying to change the way people think.
So you all would be wondering that why our revolutionaries were hiding themselves just because to plan something big. Let's see what are they planning for now.
The British Assembly is passing the law that cuts the voice of Indian. If they are refusing to hear us, we'll make them listen.
A bomb?
Yeah, a bomb, but not to kill, only to awaken. Our message is stronger than any weapon.
Then let history remember us. We fought for justice, not revenge.
One day,
Matram!
So now it's time to execute their plan. And let's see.
we threw the bomb to make them fear.
I think we should run.
No, if we run, people will remember the bomb. If we stay, people will remember why we fought.
Then today, our courtroom will become our stage.
Inqilab Zindabad!
So after they surrendered and after that code has said that they will be hanged on, and people are very nervous when they were talking about them because they could also escape, but they didn't. Let's see.
Guys, they could have escaped. Why did they surrender themselves?
Because brave people do not fear prison, they fear silence.
Today they are prisoners. Tomorrow they will become the voice of every Indian.
If they can stand for India, so why can't we? So let's say together, Inqilab Zindabad!
So now it's time of them their sacrifice because they know after that the whole country will remember us and will become the massive protest against the Britishers. So as we all know, when you can't be controlled, you will be hated. And that's the power which they showed. Now they are the most hated people in the country by the Britishers. That's why they are hanged on. And there is a one line which I want to say to everybody. If you can't say wrong is wrong, so you are at the last stage of slavery. Thanks.
Shahid Bhagat Singh Amar Rahe.
शहीद राजगुरु अमर रहे.
शहीद सुखदेव अमर रहे.